Guys, let's look at this problem in context. We've got the question: Tamika is preheating her oven before using it to bake. Tamika wants to predict the final temperature after X minutes. She wrote the equation y equals 45x plus 67, where y represents the final temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. What could the number 67 in Tamika's equation represent? So 67 here. This is what we're trying to identify. What is this value representing? Well, we know that X is the number of minutes. So when Tamika turns the oven on, this X will begin increasing. And every time X goes to the next integer, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, we're going up by 45 degrees. That's how much we're increasing by. So what we need to understand is that this equation is in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form has a slope. Our slope is our rate of change. And in slope-intercept form, our y-intercept is our initial value, or starting value. Initial meaning starting here. So if 45 is how much we're increasing by every X minutes, X is the number of minutes, and we are told already that Y is the final temperature. The only thing that we're left with is what the temperature was when X was 0. So we have not preheated the oven at all, 0 minutes. Well, we know that the only value we're left with is 67. 45 times 0 is 0, so plus 67 is 67. So it would make sense that this is the temperature that the oven starts at, the initial value. And if we think about this, that makes sense. If she's in a air conditioner room and that air conditioner is blowing and we got a nice cool temperature of 67 degrees, that's what temperature the oven will be at before it is turned on.